Hey Google I/O, I'm Abel.
And I'm Alex.
Today, we're excited to announce FlutterFlow, a low-code tool for building Flutter apps all in your browser. Our goal is to give Flutter developers superpowers. FlutterFlow lets you build apps faster, easier, and with less code. We built all of this thanks to the power of Flutter Web, and we're excited to give you a sneak peek.
So first, we're going to start by showing you an app we built in FlutterFlow called FlutterMet. FlutterMet lets you search for art exhibits at the world-famous Metropolitan Museum of Art by title or department, and keeps track of your favorite exhibits or those you want to check out. As you can see, my collection currently needs some love. Let's do a quick search and see what we get. So I can tap on a search result, see a preview of the exhibit, and also view all the information about the exhibit. I'll add this artwork to my collection. Now, let's go back to the home screen and check out my favorite department and show. So since this is pretty much the coolest chair I've ever seen, I'll also add it to my collection. Now I'll go to my collections page and verify that all of my favorites are there. So now we've shown you FlutterMet, we'd like you to guess how long it took to build in FlutterFlow. So all of this took one of us less than 1 hour to build, end to end. To see the entire process, check out our YouTube video on the FlutterFlow channel called Building FlutterMet. Now, let's take a look at the project in FlutterFlow. So here we have the UI builder, and we can take a look at all of the pages in the app. In addition, this project uses Firebase authentication, Firestore, and API requests using the Met API for all the exhibit data. We're just getting started with FlutterFlow, and there's a lot more coming in the following weeks and months. Thanks to the power of Flutter and Flutter Web, we've been able to move far quicker than we could have possibly imagined.
We'd like to give a huge thank you to Google, the Flutter team, our early access users, and our supporters. Our goal is to bring the power of Flutter to the masses. We want to enable you to build tomorrow's apps today, faster, easier, and with less code. So join us in this movement. To get started, go to flutterflow.io. Thanks.